These two are finally calm. They're just chilling on the couch. They were beating each other up a while ago. What's up, Rigby? I do not need you in my face. What's going on, baby girl?
Pay attention to me.
Oh my gosh. Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. You never pay attention to me. Oh, look. They're back at it. Look.
Pay attention to
Look.
me.
What are they going to do? I bet you Milky's going to bite him like she does every single day because he never learns. Oh, look. Look. Oh, Rigby snaps. And Milky just bites back. What is he doing? Oh, he bites her neck. He grabs her by the neck again. Her tail's going wild. And he bites. He goes for the kill. And she scratches him. Oh no. It's a standoff. He goes for the toes, for the kitty toes. He goes for the murder mittens. Oh no. And there it goes. Every single time, Rigby. Every single time. You don't learn, buddy, do you? Why don't you learn? Milky, that was mean, girl. You've been mean all day today. What do you have to say about that fight? Huh? Will there be a rematch? Are you going to let him win next time? I don't know. Do you not care? You don't care, do you? What about you? What do you think about that ending that happens every single day? Huh? Oh well.